Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 3 in the December 2025 paper pumpkin kit. So I've got my card base, I've got my card front, I've got my piece of vellum, I've got my greeting banner, I've got my little flower and my sprig, I've got my 3 stamps, the little stamens, the dear friend, and the you make me feel loved. So we're going to go ahead and do our stamping to start with. I'm going to pull my Versamark back in. I'm just going to move some of this off to the side. Actually, I need this. I'm gonna move this. Everything I don't need is going to get moved off to the side. We've got the medium flower. So we're just going to put that there like that. And I need to ink up the stamens, and we're putting one here like this. And one here like this. Okay, so that's that done. Then we're going to do the dear friend. Okay, and that's going to go above the middle line here. Okay, and then we're going to Versamark this one. Ink that up and pop it down. And the nice thing is, well, these there's only 3 of, but the other blanks they give you 4. So if you make a mistake, you can fix it. Okay, so now we have to do some adhesives. So I need the vellum, it needs a piece of tear and tape. The greeting banner needs a piece of tear and tape. The flower is tear and tape, and this is tear and tape, but the tear and tape goes on the top side of it. Okay, I actually stamped right on here, and I'm supposed to stamp on here and then layer it over top. Now that is probably in case you make a mistake. So I haven't done that, but note to self, this all goes, this should be stamped on here, and then it gets adhered to here. So anyway, I was supposed to stamp on here and then stick it to this, and I haven't done that. So I need to put, okay, I need to put dimensionals on this piece, and they're calling for like 9 dimensionals. Like that. Okay, do I need dimensionals on anything else? I need dimensionals on the vellum. So we're going to pop 3 right in the middle there. Okay, now I need tear and tape on this piece. And if I had done the stamping on here, then I would tear and tape on here as well. So sorry for leading you all astray on that. You do not stamp on the, right on the piece. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick that down because it's come off on my finger. And then this piece goes on the front of that piece like that. Okay, so now what am I doing? We're going to build this by putting this down. You can tell I don't make these ahead of time, that I make them following the directions exactly the same way that you all would. Okay. And then we're going to peel this off here, and it sticks to the underside of the vellum like this. And then this sticks over top of it like that. And then we need to adhere this piece to the front of the card. So bear with me while I peel off all of these dimensionals. Okay. Okay, and then this pops right down in the middle of the card. And then this goes down in the middle of that. So this goes down like this. There we go. And then we put our bling on, and we're putting the large one down here like that. And then we're taking a small one, popping it over here like that, and another small one, and popping it up here like this. So that is project number 3. Don't mind the dimensional backing. So that's project number 3 in the paper pumpkin kit for December 2025. So stay tuned for that first alternate card.